Hello everyone, so this time I will show you how to prepare perfect meat for grilling or barbecue. If you want to barbecue, you want to keep it in one piece. If you want to just grill it, you can just cut it. But first of all, let's see what we're playing with. First you need to open it up and quickly smell if it's okay. This one smells like it's okay, so open it up. I will just take it out from the package and just splash it with the cold water. Got it back. This one actually is very fat meat, but still, when you want to grill it, it's good. So I will not cut away any pieces of it. But let's just see what do we have in here. Yeah, let's cut it from this side. Just need to dry my hand a bit, and maybe as well the meat a little bit. No, towel is gone. Let's get one more. There we go. Just form it a little bit, then we can just begin our cuttings. I just want a few nice and thick pieces, so I just cut away like straight in here. This I will use for something else. I'll just wash my bird, so, and then I will go like this. So that's the one piece, about like 1.5 to 2 centimeters. We'll go to the grill. One more. Again. Nice. Number 2. I think I will go with, yeah, let's say 6 pieces. One for the dinner. Second one if one is not enough, and third one for later. So, come on, meat, cooperate. We got 4 pieces. There's our number 5. And one more. Just cool. I got rest like this one and those, and I'm not sure what I do with that yet, but I will do for sure. Anyway, as we has cut our meat, we need to spice it a little bit. Look like this. Pretty cool. Anyway, so we need to prepare something for marinating it. So I just need to grab some 6 pieces small bowl. Like this should do the job. Okay, maybe I will just put this one in here and take it away. Okay, so what spices you need to use for the grill? I got like tiny leftover of olive oil with ginger taste, but it's like yeah, like 2 tablespoons, so not much. I can use that. So finished. Pepper, mix of peppers. Always use fresh grinded peppers. It tastes much better. And it's about half of teaspoons. Salt. No, let's use the other one. I have this not fine salt, but this like with little bit bigger pieces. Anyway, let's go with about 1 teaspoon. Okay. Okay, we got salt, we got pepper, we got oil, but this will not be enough oil for all those pieces of meat. Anyway, so you can see it. I got garlic in powder. We can use a lot. I do like garlic, about 1 teaspoon. We got onion in powder as well. I like onion, so another teaspoon. Good. What else? We need nice color. I got smoked paprika. This will give the nice color and nice taste. Like 1.5 teaspoon. I need a little bit more of oil, so just olive oil. Yeah, that should do the job. What else we can put in here? This is just basic recipe and it's coming out very good. Always. We can give a tiny splash of soya sauce. Yeah, like also a little bit of sugar, like 1, maybe not even 1/2 teaspoons. Do I need some more in here? Yes. Some sour taste. So let's give a few drops of vinegar. Totally enough, maybe even too much. we got our hot paprika, just the tiny splash on top. And that's basically it, I believe. Just mix it up well. This will fall in for sure. Anyway, just need to grab a bigger bowl, something like that. If you have your favorite barbecue sauce or something like that, you can just put 1 or 2 tablespoons. But then we just dip the meat inside so everything stick to it, and put to another bowl. Do the same thing with the rest of them. Cool. Okay. I'm halfway with the meat, but almost no sauce left, but don't worry, it will be okay. Cool. Last piece, almost nothing in the bowl, but not a big deal. Let's just wash it up with this meat. That is even good. And now all what we need to just move it around together, flip it over, make it like squeeze and like massage, give it like nice massage for the meat, and all these ingredients being mixed very well. And yeah, guys, that's basically it. That's the way I prepare this kind of meat for the grilling. Okay, I just washed my hands. Last thing you need to do with this is just cover it with this household film or aluminum foil, whatever you want, or just piece of cloth. I'm using this film because I don't want anything in my fridge smell the same as the meat. So okay guys, so that's the end product. Easy, quick, tasty, and yeah. So drop it into your fridge for like at least 1 hour. So now I have time to prepare my grill, clean it up and start it up, and then I can come with the meat. So that's the way how I make meat on the grill. So see you all at the next time. Take care and have fun, guys.